Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog guys we have again a new but totally not new but a upgrade version of the Zoom H1 Essential. So this is the H1 Essential again already with 32-bit float. So yeah, as what I understand 32-bit float it's you can edit the audio and you have to like overexpose and under uh, no not overexpose but it's like high and low. And so again, I think this like a you have a safe recording. But on this vlog, we will test the product and just unbox. So and without further ado, let's start. So it's here. It's high quality microphone, X and Y microphone, contrast OLED screen, 32-bit float recording for perfect audio every take. So like you have a safe recording. Uh, Even it's overexposed or underexposed, I think you can edit and it's fine. USB mic mode, 10 hours of record time with AAA battery. So it's similar with the first one. So again, triple A. This is the device. Ayan, okay. This is the Zoom H1. Okay, and you have your manual. That's it, guys. This is what you have on the Zoom H1. So I'm gonna try and check the sound quality on the Zoom H1. So this is the menu. You have already stereo, L LD out, LO out, marker for the delete button. You have mono recording button. On the side, you have your SD card, the micro SD, the menu, yeah, USB-C and line in, 3.5 jack. On the other side, you have line out, volume, and power button. So this is the microphone, and let's try to test the microphone, guys. So we'll try to use now this Zoom H1. Press record. Hello, sound check. Sound check. 1, 2, 3. Sound check. Again, this is the audio from Zoom H1, and I will not do any adjustment. So what you hear is raw file or direct file from the Zoom H1. So again, guys, this is the Zoom H1 32-bit recorder. So again, guys, that's it for today's vlog. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of our Zoom H1 or Zoom H1 Essential with the 32-bit, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, guys, if you want to check all the Zoom products that we have here available, check to our website again www.abworld.com. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.